PCView Solutions. SnapVue, Remote Connected Frontline Workers. Episode 2, Empowering the Workers. Many of the work processes that are adopted for frontline workers are expected to continue to expand to create fully connected, remote frontline workers. For example, Heather is a second shift operator of a renewable energy hydropower plant. From the control room, she observes that the supervisory control and data acquisition (SCADA) system is indicating that something unusual is happening to the inlet flow at turbine number 3. She can see that her on-site maintenance support, Kurt, is nearby, but he is new and not familiar with the history of this plant. Joel, who is the maintenance lead, has the knowledge and experience, but he's currently working at another plant several hours away. Joel, Heather, and Kurt discuss the situation using a secure and private message built into their connected remote worker technology. Kurt sends Joel photos of the control valve suspected of being the root cause, using the same secure and private messaging system. He focuses on apparent physical damage to the turbine delivering the air supply to the control diaphragm. Kurt then takes the video as Heather operates the valve, capturing the fact that the valve is not moving smoothly, but is sticking and then over-adjusting. Kurt creates a work order detailing his plan to replace the tubing. Joel reviews and approves the order, but it is on hold until Heather remotely acknowledges that the valve is now safe to take offline. It is an example of making Kurt a remote connected worker with access to all the resources needed to perform his maintenance procedures. To summarize, SnapVue helps you in 4 ways. Teams can communicate in real time to each other and with a central control using a private and secure messaging system. Support for remote assistance and knowledge sharing. Step-by-step worker guide. No need for internet connection. In next episode, we will bring you Call a Friend. Stay tuned.